Today I will be making shrimp fried rice. The things you need are rice, shrimp, thawed out shrimp, a spatula, a spoon, a measuring cup, chicken soup base, butter, and seasoning salts. Let's go. Okay, so what we will be doing is starting off by taking this frying pan and turning the heat up to about like 5 or 6, and take the butter, take a generous amount of butter, put it on the pan to start. If it's not enough butter when it starts heating up, then add some more later on. Okay. Now that we have put the butter in the pan and let it warm up, we are going to take the shrimp and put the shrimp into the pan and move it around nicely. And we are going to wait for the shrimp to kind of curl into like a ball almost, like curl its tail inwards, and then you have to like flip it over, and they will be good. Now that we have been letting them sit for about 3 to 4 minutes, we are going to start flipping them. See how their tails have started to curl in and they're turning like a nice brown on the other side. While these are cooking, we're going to go get a cup of water. We're going to put a cup of water into our pot, and that doesn't seem enough. Now we are going to add 1 more cup of water, because it doesn't seem like enough. So put that in. Now that we have poured our water in, we are going to let it boil, and yeah. Okay, now I'm going to add the seasonings for the shrimp. First I'll be adding some salt. Then I'm going to be adding some Mrs. Dash. Okay, and now I'm going to be adding some garlic ginger seasoning. Okay, now I'm going to be adding 3 teaspoons of chicken soup base. 1, 2, and 3. There we go. Now that I have added, since I have added 2 cups of water, I'm going to be adding 2 cups of rice. Okay, and now I need to pour it in the pot. And then stir it. And then I let it sit for a bit to soak up the water. Now that it has boiled and absorbed the water, we are going to move it off the element so it's off the heat. Now that I have let the shrimp sit sit for a bit and cool down, I'm going to be taking the tails off the shrimp, just like this, and placing them onto the plate. Oh.
One.
Okay, this is what it looks like when it's all finished. Now I'm going to be adding some seasoning to the end. Oh, that's a lot. Just a little bit. Just enough to get like all of it. It's not a little, but. And I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Ow. What? Never mind. But I hope you enjoyed the food and how it was made and the video.